One trade is more than enough for you to remain in green every day. I'm just giving you a lot of options. Okay. Just focus on one trade per day so that you'll remain profitable. So top gainers, top losers are clear. So there are four different methods that I've discussed till now. Okay. So top gainers, top losers, only buyers and only sellers. These are the four my personal favorite links which can give you quality trades. Is that clear? There are so many other things which you can explore, like price shockers, something called as price shockers. Okay. You can read the notes here. So what is the background behind creating the scanner? Okay. So that this is more educational as well. Okay. So let me just check. There are so many stocks which I don't know. So Leica Labs we have already checked. SML Isuzu. Okay. MOIL MOIL Labs we have already checked. SML Isuzu. Okay. MOIL MOIL. So MOIL was a very good trade. So actually 9:30 candle closed above PDH and also breached the high of the first 15 minutes. So we'll take a trade from the next candle. So keep the stop loss below. So what was the risk? 5.4. So what is the reward? Did we get our 5.4 rupees? Yes. So let me check some other. So there are so many stocks. Yes, yes, yes. So yeah. So this is something called as price shockers. Okay, see my personal favorite is top gainer and top loser for a conservative trade. Okay, who doesn't want to participate in too volatile stocks, who wants to trade only in large cap stocks. So these top gainers and top losers are conservative list. So once you jump to only buyers and only sellers, you will find all Nifty 500 stocks and they are too volatile. That is where the maximum profit is available. Okay, so always stick to these four uh, links. Is that clear, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, and there's something called as volume shocker as well. So you can read notes about volume shocker here, and then see any scanner. It should be very informative, right? So that should add value to your trading career. Along with that, it should be free. Okay. So there are so many stocks. For example, we have checked JSW Holdings. Okay. So which are the other stocks that we are aware of? So SML Isuzu we have already checked. Latent view. Let me check latent view. So do you have a beautiful view of latent view? So आप yes तो बोल सकते हो. I completely agree with that. With this Yes, yes. Kiranji, you can check it later. Get my 6.23 rupees to match 1:1 risk reward ratio. Money, Kulte, Patil. So do 9:30 candle closed above PDH. So I'll take a trade here. Sorry, let me delete this. So I'll take a trade here. I have all these four on a single, making it. To top gainers. Did I get 5.5 rupees reward here? So 5.5. Yes, we got 4.5 times. So please give first preference to top gainers, top loser, only buyers and only sellers. Is that clear? Are you liking it? So there are so many other things that you can explore individually, but top gainers and top losers, it is meant only for consecutive. So counting money. So I should have told you this on first day itself. If I tell you this on first day, you won't attend my class. You'll be busy counting money. So I'll not get my daily bread if you guys don't attend class. So don't hit on my stomach. मेरे पेट पर लात मत मारो. Okay, so these are the four things are important. So don't you think if you have all these four windows in a single page, it will be very easy for you to pick information at a faster pace? If you have all these four on a single page, so don't you think? All of them are saying yes. Don't you think you're becoming very greedy? You're not ready to do homework. You click on this all stats, so you get everything. Good. But still I'll show you. There's something called as all stats, right? So if you click on this all stats, so you get everything. So top gainers, click on NSE, you'll get the same thing. Davis Lab, Bharti Airtel. Click on top losers, NSE, you'll get Rajesh Exports, BSC Limited, everything here. So here, this is the conservative list that I was talking about, top gainers and top losers. These are the high liquid stocks, only buyers. Okay. If you click on more, it will open up like the usual list. So only sellers, click on NSE and take top 3 stocks. Don't you think just by glimpse you can pick a stock? And the other, there are so many other things like most active stocks and intraday large deals. There are so many things which are available. You can make best use of it. But top gainers, top losers, only buyers and only sellers is also available if you click on all stats. Is that clear? So if you want everything, Shruti, you need to use all of it. Dot in the live market. Okay. So try to use this scanner tomorrow and try to participate with one quantity and let us see what will be the progress. And moreover, जतिन जी, मेरा सेटअप है, मेरा सेटअप बताएगा आपको कौन सी स्टॉक ट्रेड करना है. let it show any stock, follow the setup. Rajat ji, you requested for an explanation in Hindi. आपको एक बार मैं हिंदी में समझाता हूँ. देखो जी, मनी कंट्रोल वेबसाइट इज द मोस्ट बहुत अच्छी ट्रस्टेड वेबसाइट है ट्रेडिंग के लिए. इसमें बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको फ्री में मिलेगा. उसमें हमारा इंट्राडे स्क्रीनर बहुत अच्छी तरीके से काम करता है. ओके, सो आप क्या कर सकते हो, इधर आप मार्केट्स पर क्लिक करो. इधर आपको टॉप गेनर्स दिख रहा है रजत जी, उस पर क्लिक करो. आपको इधर नोट्स भी मिलेगा. ओके, नोट्स छोड़ दो, सिर्फ स्टॉक पिक करो. ओके, पहला टॉप 3 स्टॉक्स ले लो. मेरे सेटअप के अनुसार कुछ एंट्री मिलता है तो आप इंट्राडे के लिए निवेश कर सकते हो. बाद में 1:1 आपको मुनाफा होता है, आप ट्रेड से बाहर आ जाओ. ओके, सो लालच में मत पड़ो, धीरज रखो और लालच से बाहर आ जाओ. ओके, सो और एक बार आप टॉप लूजर पर क्लिक करने के बाद आपको गिरता हुआ स्टॉक्स दिखेगा. ओके, टॉप 3 स्टॉक्स ले लो. आप सेटअप के अनुसार सभी कंडीशंस मैच करो और आप कभी भी आपको एंट्री मिलता है तो आप निवेश करके 1:1 मुनाफा होता है, उस समय आप लालच छोड़ के आप बाहर आ जाओ. ओके, सो ये 2 मेथड्स आपको अच्छी स्टॉक्स दिलेगा. तो और ओनली बायर्स, इसमें पूरा देश में सभी लोग यही स्टॉक में ट्रेड करते हैं, इसलिए आपको 20% एक ही दिन में मूवमेंट होता है. मगर इसमें आपका कोई what do they say in Hindi for well known stock, familiar stock हिंदी, आपको कोई स्टॉक बहुत दिल को नजदीक होता है वो स्टॉक आप पिक कर सकते हो. और जाना माना, यस, कोई स्टॉक का नाम आपको जाना माना है तो आप उसको पिक करके ट्रेड कर सकते हो. परिचित, हाँ, सो आप सिर्फ परिचित स्टॉक को ट्रेड करो. अपरिचित स्टॉक हम ट्रेड करेंगे तो आपकी कैपिटल भी आपसे दूर हो सकता है. ओके, परिचित स्टॉक में आप निवेश करके मुनाफा कर लो, आपका दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो सकता है. सो या फेवरेट स्टॉक. ओके, सो ये बहुत पूरा देश का लोग इसी में ट्रेड करता है, ओनली बायर्स. आप भी थोड़ा मुनाफा कर लो, ओनली सेलर्स. सभी म्यूचुअल फंड्स और इंट्राडे ट्रेडर्स यही स्टॉक्स को गिराता है. तो आप भी इसमें हमारा सेटअप के अनुसार एंट्री मिलेगा तो आप ट्रेड करके आप भी अच्छी तरीके से मुनाफा बना सकते हो. ओके, सो भगवान की घर में अंधेरी है मगर देर नहीं. आई होप आई सेड इट राइट. ओके, सो आपको सभी स्कैनर्स okay, so once again I said it ulta. Okay, so you can आप ये all stats पर क्लिक करके इधर ही आपको 3 स्टॉक आप पिक कर सकते हो. ओके, पहला आप एनएससी, कभी भी आप ट्रेड करते हो इंट्राडे के लिए और स्विंग इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो, कभी भी आप सिर्फ एनएससी में करना है. ओके, क्योंकि वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है. तो NSE चूज करके टॉप गेनर्स में पूरा 3 स्टॉक ले लो, और चाहे तो मोर पर क्लिक करो और बड़ा लिस्ट आएगा। टॉप लूजर्स NSE टॉप 3 स्टॉक्स ले लो, ओनली बायर्स NSE टॉप 3 स्टॉक्स ले लो, ओनली सेलर्स NSE टॉप 3 स्टॉक्स ले लो। ओके, सो सेटअप के अनुसार आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो। मेरा इंट्राडे सेटअप निर्मा जैसा है, पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें। रजत सलोत्रा जी। सो आप इस स्कैनर को फॉलो करके मेरा इंट्राडे सेटअप यूज करो, आप KBC खेल सकते हो डेली। Indumati ji, for everything you don't have to search for scanner, you need to work hard manually. Okay. Yes, Manish Chatterjee, you're right. So along with that, okay, if you want to check, yes, as per my dream, India became 4 trillion economy. So in 10 years, Indian economy will grow like crazy. Please do invest, build your savings on Indian companies. Is that clear? सीमा जी, आप कल ट्राई करो। कल आप किसी ने मुझे पूछा आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो, मैंने बोला मेहनत। So you should be in a position to say the same thing, right? So please do backtest tomorrow with one quantity. Okay. So please be very clear. Investing.com scanner will give you stocks one day before. So you are supposed to check investing.com after your dinner. So Fatafat scanner and money control you're supposed to check at 9:30 a.m. breakfast cave bath. Yes, Ravindra ji, you're true. Think okay. Technical glitch, Fatafat scanner will not open. Okay, so just focus on this thing. Okay. Because you'll get to see the values here only, right? So you can match as soon as you open the chart, you can just place the cursor on the first candle. So Kolte Patil, do we have open equal to low? Is that clear, Indumati ji? It takes only 1 second for you to place the cursor on the first candle. The stocks that you have picked from money control that will address whatever information that you were searching for from Fatafat tomorrow. Please, who have not yet joined, so please draw and take care. So it is meant only for below the bottommost. So no trade. So now let's go and then mode. You would have got first 15 minutes candle closing about conviction to participate in a trade because of multiple. Risk was around 78 rupees. Then, so let me just check which are the names that I can remember. KPI Green, ITI. So Ravindra ji, you don't have to worry about the percentages because I've never mentioned you need to look at the percentage. There are only 4 important levels, PDH and PDL. topmost resistance and bottommost support. Don't look at the percentage. It's not important. The first candle itself, there is a huge movement. So I'll not take this into consideration. Yes or no? No trade. So now let's go and check only sellers. Only sellers. After only buyers, you have an option for only sellers also. So Star Tech Finance. So in this, there is no formation of the candle itself, right? So you cannot do any research. When there are no candles, you cannot read. So Rajesh Exports. So do we have a beautiful trade in Rajesh Exports? So we have the first 15 minutes candle itself closing below PDL. So I'll just mark low of this candle. So let me mark low of this candle and high of this candle. Once low is breached, I'll keep a stop loss of 7 rupees. So did I get 7 rupees here? So don't you think one such trade is more than enough for you? One trade per day is more than enough. So let me just add take trade with proper risk plus will be hit. Wash with strong buy. So if we have strong buy in all the stock screeners, once you go, it will go ahead. Astaji, let's not discuss about Bank Nifty now because we have separate Indian version. Go to tools and select a certain time for that discussion. Today's focus is to complete intraday screeners. So once we come to this investing.com, you need to go to Indian version, go to tools and select stock screener. Once you go to the stock screener, so just select NSE, click on market cap. So change this to 400 billion. Then scroll down, go to technicals, double click monthly so that at least one column is sorted so that it will be very easy for you to pick stocks. Okay. So Namaskara Kiranora, I'm doing good. Thank you. How are you? So if you have strong buy in all the time frames, then that stock is supposed to be bullish. Yes or no? If we have strong buy in all the time frames, for example, ABB India and just a minute. I hope you guys are making best use of it. Yes, market cap 400B. So click on technicals, double click on monthly. So we have ABB India, we have strong buy, and Bajaj Holdings, it's a strong buy. Bosch, it's strong buy. So if we have strong buy in all the columns, then macroscopic view and microscopic view both are matching. Yes or no? Whenever a particular stock is bullish in all the time frame, from highest possible time frame to the least possible time frame, then we are trying to match macro view with micro view. So then you will gain a lot of courage to participate in those trades. And moreover, our intraday setup should give you entry when you have multiple confirmation using intraday setup. Then you will have great conviction to take a trade. So I think you guys are clear how to pick stocks for buy trade. You need to have strong buy in all the columns. Okay. So, and if you have strong sell in all the time frames, then that stock is supposed to be bearish, right? So the stock is supposed to be bearish if we have strong sell in all the columns. So if a particular stock is bearish from higher time frame to the lower time frame, then we are trying to match the macroscopic view with microscopic view. Then that will encourage our zeal to participate in this form of trading. So technical aspect is done. So next is candlestick patterns. Okay. In this candlestick patterns, there are hundreds of candlestick patterns. It's not feasible for any trader to remember all of it, and it's not required. You need to learn what is required to make money. So click on customize. In customize, please uncheck all the time frames. Okay. Uncheck all the time frames and keep only 3-star reliability. So keep only 1 day and 3-star reliability. So you will get something like this. So you just have to look at the last column. If you have a red arrow mark, then there is a bearish sentiment for tomorrow. And if our intraday setup tells you to go ahead, then only you will go ahead with it. Is that clear? Because this scanner might point out at a particular stock, but which stock is matching our intraday setup should be our point of discussion. Yes or no? Just because some free scanner is giving you stocks, it doesn't mean you'll take a trade. So we have discussed in depth how to use intraday setup to get multiple confirmation to take trades. Yes or no? Yes. So are you guys clear with investing.com? Because this I've already discussed. Okay. And let's learn something new. Okay. The most useful website for intraday traders is Money Control. So if you type Money Control, you'll get this first link. Okay. So once you open this Money Control website, you get a lot of information, especially qualitative information for intraday trading. Say, for example, it's already open. So once you come to this Money Control, do you see market drop-down menu here? I want everybody to reply because this is something new and you guys should be very active in terms of reply. So whenever you click on the markets, so you will get to see a drop-down menu. Sorry. So you'll get to see a drop-down menu here. And do you see top gainers here? So click on top gainers. So once you click on top gainers, you can read information here. Okay, they have given uh, information. So at least you'll get to see the open, high, low, close, and the percentage gain. So you need to pick top 3 stocks. Okay, you need to pick top 3 stocks and try to match our intraday setup. Say, for example, Divis Lab is available here. So let me enlarge this and let me open Divis Lab and let's see what was the best time for us to trade. So Is there just a minute? So let me plot Fibonacci. Do we have a narrow range movement anyway? So the 930 candle breaching, and you've got want you guys to stay in green in most of the trades. Okay. If that particular stock is too volatile, then your stop loss will be hit.